Welcome to this session. In this session, we would be discussing how to make use of the ICT indicator in the indicator packs. As we know, the ICT strategy is focused on identifying institutional makers, identifying what's their footprints to predict market prices. And when we are talking of ICT, it's actually a trade taken at key moments of the day. We call those moments field zones. Those zones are specific periods when volatility and trading volume are increased, because lots of them come to the market and they engage in serious trading activity. During those periods actually gives traders lots of opportunity. And when in this case, it is not actually easy for myself and others to be able to pinpoint this exact moment. That is one of the work this indicator has come to do. As you can see from the screen, it's giving us some colors. So when you check properly, you could see it's naming them like this. This is the New York section. This is the London section, and then we have the Asia section. During these sessions, volatility is very high and a lot of opportunities are in the market. So anyone in the market during those periods, and you were able to pick trades in the direction of where prices are going, and that is enough for the day. So when it comes to this indicator also predicts a potential direction where the price is going. These are the arrows we are seeing here: red for a bearish move, green for a bullish move. And when using this indicator, you don't need to use a big time frame. The maximum you should be using should be an hour's time frame, though I prefer using the 30 minutes time frame myself. The 30 minutes to look for a confirmation, and then I use the smaller time frame, maybe the 5 minutes, to make my entry. And when you are making entry, my network is kind of poor tonight. When you are making an entry, let's say you entered the sell for this, make sure your target doesn't exceed the box. See, if you make an entry, your take profit target should be somewhere at the base of this box. So that is one of the targets I do normally set. I don't go about setting unrealistic targets. The maximum target I set is at the base of that zone. Then, and one thing again to use this indicator with is, I prefer to use it with the support and resistance. With the support and resistance indicator. Though the support and resistance indicator doesn't necessarily, the price doesn't necessarily have to touch the support line or the resistance line. But the moment it is very close to a resistance or a support line, then we should expect price to move in the opposite direction. So that is one of the ways in which I use this indicator. And something more about it is, it can trade any pair, give it gold, silver, whatever pair you want to use it on. It works fine on all the pairs. Give it stocks, anything on TradingView. So far it is charts. It will definitely just show you the direction of where the market is going. And you can see now, like this, the price moved in the direction, but then it didn't even reach the base of the box I'm saying. So in this case, it should have been stopped out at break even. So it is not a strategy whereby you have to start targeting very long moves. No? Just target short moves and you're out of the market. Though I picked some trade myself today. Let's see. Okay, this is I picked a JPY trade today, and just to show that this works. The first one was during London section. I opened 2 positions. One was unfortunately stopped out. I don't know why. Perhaps maybe because of the small difference in stop losses I used. And the second one went all the way and then took my profit. The second entry was stopped at break even. The moment price moved in my direction, I moved stop loss to entry, and then I was stopped at break even before the price eventually went in that direction. I also took a GBP trade. This trend was already going before I got it, so I had to just still enter, though it is not advisable to enter once you miss the entry, but I just took it anyway because of the confidence already. Just took it anyway and was able to still make something out of it. Took this trade too. So I'm only showing this so you don't start targeting unrealistic targets, making an entry here and then targeting all the way down. It doesn't work that way. It is for scalpers like the people with the intention of quick profits. And then gold gave me the most today. All the way from here, and was able to take my TP before start reversing. So I had to split. I had to take partial profits when it got here and then. So I hope this video helps you make the most use of the indicator, and do enjoy your trading.